Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw Virat Kohli face. In this video I am using freehand drawing technique instead of a grid method. I am sure this video is useful to those who like to draw Virat Kohli face. For this I am using materials like a A4 sheet, 2B pencil and an eraser throughout the process. Freehand drawing needs a lot of patience and dedication. As we all know, human face is made of elements or parts like eyes, nose, mouth and ears. We call them as facial elements in artistic language. In the initial stage, you need to identify outline of the face, just like I'm doing now. I have observed keenly those outlines here and so I'm drawing. Because the lines finally create a form of each element, therefore lines are very powerful in defining a form. As you can see, now I am drawing neck. To form neck, I am drawing vertically two lines just below the lower part of the face. And since the two shoulders on both sides are covered by shirt, I am drawing it carefully, extending with the collars. Keep an eye on the proportion of collars as well. Now it is time to work on facial elements because here I have to fill the face with elements like eyes, nose and mouth. Now I am drawing eyebrow above left eye in the face. In the same way I am drawing eyebrow just above the right eye in the face. Make sure that eyebrows on both sides are in proportion. Now it is time to draw nose, which is another facial element. When it comes to Virat Kohli nose, it is clear that the tip of the nose is not sharper and a little bit wider, so I am drawing it. And even nostrils in the nose are wider and make them darker to achieve depth. Now it is time to draw moustache. Because I am drawing smiling face of Virat Kohli, I have to draw moustache in such a way that it has to define a smiling face. Here I am drawing little bit harder as the hairs of a moustache are very thick. Since I am drawing a smiling face of Virat Kohli, nasolabial folds, also called as smiling lines, are appeared on both sides of the face. Now I am working on mouth, which is the second most important focal point after eyes. Here in this portrait, as you can observe, upper lip is majorly covered by moustache, whereas the lower lip is somewhat visible. Line that divides upper lip and lower lip needs to be drawn darker to bring more life into it. When it comes to drawing of a beard, first you have to observe the form of a beard or lines that create beard. As the hairs of a beard are thicker, I am drawing by putting more pressure on pencil. Go on with the same way throughout to complete the drawing of a beard which has covered 20% of the face. Here in this portrait, as you can observe, chin and the cheek areas of the face are filled with the beard. Now I am drawing hairs on the head to create some depth. And the hairs on the head are as darker as that of a beard and mustache, as we can see. Finally, I am drawing eyes. Usually, eyes in any human face draw attention of the viewers instantly, and that's why they are considered as the foremost focal points in any human face. Beginning with the drawing of upper eyelid line, which is darker than lower eyelid line. Now I am drawing pupil, which is in the form of a circle. Draw pupil, keeping in mind one thing, that it is a darker area to be focused, or pupil is always darker, surrounded by iris. And here is the final work, which is the result of a freehand drawing technique. Hope you like this drawing video of Virat Kohli. You can even follow the same method if you want to draw Virat Kohli. And you can subscribe to the channel for more drawing videos. Thank you.